From the very beginning, I wanted the farm to be designed to use our resources as efficiently as possible. There are 3 gray water systems in the farm. The first is in the kitchen and palapa area. When you're washing any dishes, the sink water goes first through a grease trap and then through a tube that snakes its way down to the plants. The tubing is underground and covered with gravel to prevent clogging. We've planted banana, papaya, watermelon, pineapple, and many other thirsty plants there. The second are the showers. All the soap and shampoo used is biodegradable. The water you shower with is then directed through a drainage area that's filled with gravel that allows the water to filter down to the root system of the many trees that we have around the area. The third area is the hand washing station right outside the toilets, which uses a similar design and irrigates all the plants around. I think that the best part about the whole design is that any water that's not soaked up by the plants will someday make its way down to the aquifers from which we pump all this water from. That allows someone else in the future to be able to use this water once again.